Here are some simple tips to help you heat your home this winter. First of all, when you go into your home, close the door. A lot of times people will leave that door open a little bit. Cold air will sneak in. Not a good idea.
Let the sun help you keep your home warm by opening up those drapes and blinds during daylight hours on those south-facing windows. That way you can take advantage of the sun's solar heat gain.
Now, a lot of times people don't think about a ceiling fan being used during the winter, but it can certainly be your friend if you allow the rotation to be clockwise. That forces the heat against the ceiling and return it back down to you where you can be nice and comfortable.
And don't forget about your regular maintenance. Take some pressure off of your forced air furnace by replacing your return air filter regularly. That way it's going to work more efficiently and it's going to last longer too.
Now also, you want to seal up the envelope of your home because any cold air that can sneak in around doors or windows or hose bibs or dryer vents will rob you of your energy dollars. So a little caulk, a little expandable foam, or any type of weather stripping that is damaged, replace it. You'll be glad you did.
The early bird gets the worm, so go ahead and schedule an HVAC technician to come out and service your furnace so that you know it's working as efficiently as possible to keep you warm all winter.
And while that technician is out at your house, find out how old your furnace is. You know, average life expectancy is only about 12 years, so it may be time for an upgrade. And if you upgrade, consider a variable speed heat pump. They're phenomenal in providing your home nice, even heat. That's what I have in my house, and it works great.
You can download this checklist from American Standard at todayshomeowner.com/heatyourhome.